to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel School Studies. In this channel you will get daily one video related to different topic or subject which will help you to understand or learn more. In this channel there are videos related to different subjects such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science. Today in this video we will see a subject science. The video is related to the topic NCERT Solution for Class 7 Science Chapter 6 Physical and Chemical Changes. Before starting with the solution of exercise, let's see the summary first. Changes can be of two types, physical and chemical. Physical changes are changes in the physical property of substances. No new substances are formed in these changes. These changes may be reversible. In chemical changes, new substances are produced. Some substances can be obtained in pure state from their solutions by crystallization. Now let's see the exercise. Let's solve the exercise of the textbook. First question, classify the changes involved in the following processes as chemical or physical changes. The first one is photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, it is chemical changes. Dissolving sugar in water, that is physical changes. Burning of coal, chemical changes. Melting of wax, physical changes. Beating aluminium to make aluminium foil, physical changes. Digestion of food, chemical changes. Second question, state whether the following statements are true or false. In case of statement is false, write the corrected statement in your notebook. So the first question is, cutting a log of wood into pieces is a chemical change. That is false. So the correct answer is, cutting a log of wood into pieces is a physical change. Formation of manure from leaves is a physical change. It is false. The correct statement is, formation of manure from leaves is a chemical change. Iron pipes contained with zinc do not get rusted easily. The answer is true. Next, iron and rust are the same substance. False. The correct statement is, iron and rust are different substances. Next, condensation of steam is not a chemical change. The answer is true. Question 3. Fill in the blanks in the following statements. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate. The chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. The two methods by which rusting of iron can be prevented are dash and dash. So the answer is painting and galvanization. Change in which only dash properties of a substance change are called physical changes. So change in which only physical properties of substance change are called physical changes. Change in which new substances are formed are called dash changes. So it is chemical change. Question 4. Which baking soda is mixed with lemon juice? Bubbles are formed with the evaluation of a gas. What type of change is it? Explain. So the answer is it is a chemical change. Here, a new substance, carbon dioxide gas, is formed. Fifth question. When a candle burns, both physical and chemical changes takes place. Identify these changes. Give another reason, example of a similar process in which both the chemical and physical changes takes place. So the answer is the wax of the candle first melts, then vaporizes and burns. Melting of wax is a physical change since molten wax can be solidified back to the wax and there is no new substance formed. When wax vapors burn, smoke and carbon dioxide are formed, which are new substances. So it is a chemical process. Lightning torch bulb during dry cell is another example where both physical and chemical processes takes place. The lightening of bulb is physical change since no new substance is formed there. The current from the dry cell is obtained by the chemical substances inside it. Here, the chemical is the cell get converted into new substances and hence the cell ultimately becomes useless. So it is a chemical change. The next question is sixth one. How will you show that setting of curd is a chemical change? So the answer is when some source substances is added to milk or kept overnight, it turns into curd. The curd is no way can be converted into milk. For that is irreversible change. Curd is a different substance than milk. So formation of curd is a chemical change. Question 7th. Explain why burning of wood and cutting it into small pieces are considered as two different types of changes. So the answer is burning of wood produces ash and smoke. Hence the properties of wood are changed and new substances are formed. So it is a chemical change. When a log of wood is cut into small pieces, there is no new substance formed. Each small piece bears the properties of wood. So if it is a physical change. Obviously, burning and cutting of wood are of two different types of changes. Question 8. Describe how crystals of copper sulfate are prepared. A cup of water is taken in a beaker and a few drops of dilute sulfuric acid are added into it. The water is heated. When it starts boiling, copper sulfate powder is added slowly while stirring continuously. Copper sulfate powder is added continuously till no more powder can be dissolved. The solution is filtered and allowed to cool down. Crystals of copper sulfate slowly form at the bottom of the beaker. Question 9. Explain how painting of an iron gate prevents it from rusting. For rusting, iron must be contact with both air and moisture. When iron gate is painted, the layer of paint cuts the contact between air, moisture and iron. Thus it prevents rusting. 10th question. Explain why rusting of iron object is faster in coastal areas than in deserts. So the answer is in coastal areas there is more moisture in air due to the presence of sea, but in desert there is a scarcity of water and hence air is almost dry there. Both air and moisture are necessary conditions for rusting. So rusting is faster in coastal areas than in desert. 11th question. The gas we use in the kitchen is called liquefied petroleum gas, that is LPG. In the cylinder it can exist as a liquid. When it comes out from the cylinder it becomes a gas. Change A, then it burns, change B. The following statement pretend to these changes. Choose the correct one. Process A is a chemical change. Process B is a chemical change. Both processes A and B are chemical changes. None of these processes is a chemical change. So the solution of this question is, it is second one, process B is a chemical change. Next, an aerobic bacteria digest animal waste and produce biogas, that is change A. The biogas is then turned as fuel, change B. The following statement pertains to these changes. Choose the correct one. So the answer is, both processes A and B are chemical changes. So this was the solution of exercise of textbook of standard 7 science NCERT chapter 6 of the textbook. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video, or you can join us on Facebook page, connect us on LinkedIn, follow us on Instagram, tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.